Chris, what are we going to do right now?
Gonna go shred the gnar.
Shred the gnar. Cameron, you stoked?
Oh yeah.
Chris?
Oh yeah, yeah. Ready to dust that pow pow.
Ah! Serious injury or death possible? What do you think? Should we do it? Oh, dude! You almost died right there. Hey, Chris, should we do it?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Ain't
yeah.
stopping us.
Oh, yeah, he's stuck, man. Oh, yeah. He got stuck on the grinder.
I guess it's getting more expensive than I thought.
All right, skiing was super fun, but we got our butts whooped. Chris, what's your ending comments for the Colorado ski trip?
Keep your skis together. Pow pow. Ready for a nap.
Cameron?
Don't end up like Chris.